Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, it's Kiara here from iDigio Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using my lead gen secrets and Chat GPT. Alright, so guys, well, I don't know if we're going to use Chat GPT. We're going to find out later on. Alright, so the reason that we promote the $25 business is mainly because of its affiliate program, which is the best I've ever seen, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, guys. It's fantastic. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, but we're going to refresh the page so I can show you guys these are indeed real results. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, totally fine. Like I said before, I just started. I think it was like Sunday or Monday or something like that. That's when I started again. I had kind of stopped through the holidays. I started back up on like Christmas or Christmas Eve or something like that. Anyway, the first thing we're gonna do, guys, got to get you your links, and these are all the links you get. This is the one that works for me. You can use any link that you want. I've tested a few of them. This one I think I tested 3 of them, and this one was the first one to get a sale, so I just started using this one. It seems to be working so far, and we're just going to continue on from that point, right? All right, guys, so this is what we're going to do. First, you want to go to my description, and you want to open it up. Gonna show step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is the link you want to click on. Should take you to a page or something like this. Now this is the sales page for the $25 business. Now if you're interested in what it is, essentially it's a funnel builder. All right, the funnel builder, a ton of information on how to set it up and all this and that. It's a really good funnel builder for about $25 per month, which is a fantastic deal. So it's a really good product, but the reason we're promoting it is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring. And you can make up to $120 off of each customer monthly, guys. Insane. So anyway, guys, you decide, yeah, I want to try this out, right? So we're gonna click on yes, I want in. It's gonna take it to this page here, and you just put in your basic information, blah blah blah. Get down here and complete order, get instant access, right? And one thing I want to stress, guys, use my link and get premium. That's another product for free for 14 days. All right. And what's really cool about this is that it teaches you how to promote products on different sites and stuff. What's working for us as a whole right now, like people promote them on a bunch of different things, and they just talk about exactly how they're doing it, right? And you just learn how to do that as well, and really get scaling really well, and which is really good depending on what program you want to promote. Plus there's an AI content creation machine. If you like blogging or something like that, can help you blog, help you write articles, blah blah blah. So yeah, you can do all of that for you can do all of that. And but the coolest thing about this product, and the coolest thing about this, is that in the 2 weeks you get for free, guys, you can get a sale with this product. If you get a sale with this product, you'll immediately get that $100, even though you technically don't own the item. So it's like a head start for affiliate marketers. You know what I mean? You guys are interested in that. It's a really good product to promote, even if you don't use the method I'm gonna show you guys. All right, it's just a good product to promote. You only need about 2 people in the system to pay for it. So yeah, to make money, you only need 2 people to make money. One person, that's 80% of it. The second one gonna be 160%. So you make 60% just by having 2 people in the program. And I'm gonna tell you this now, you won't find a better deal than that. You just won't. So anyway, guys, now that we have the product and we got our links, right? You sign in, do all the stuff to get your links. It's very basic. Once you got your links, now you need a way to promote them. And what I'm showing you guys right now is the absolute easiest way to promote links on My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, that's what we're promoting them. All right, so what you need to do is click on my second link on my video. It'll take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? My Lead Gen Secrets is a site in which you get 100 leads per day that you can email once per day. So what we're gonna do here, mailing system. Once you get it logged in, you go to the mailing system, click all your links here, right? And we're gonna send our next email. Now we're using the emails that we're using are emails that I created, that I wrote a long time ago for a completely different product. And the link that we just did, monthly income, that's the that one don't make sense. All right, here we go. With this. Copy. We're gonna use the emails that I use here that can fit with this. So we're gonna. This one fits. So I wrote these emails for a completely different system a while ago, so that's why this one like that. Copy. Hold up. I missed the part. My bad. Wasn't paying attention. I thought I had this part. Copy. And we're just gonna go here. Gonna do. Make it like post. All bold. Bold. That. I'm gonna take this link here. Just like I said before, I will use a different link product to promote these. They ran for a completely different product, but it fits really well for this one. Go through, bold some. Bold it. All right, that's pretty good. It looks pretty good. A little simple. Now we're gonna hit perfect timing. Now what it does is send the email around the time that people check their email. So for example, you check your email around 8 o'clock. This will send the email at 8 o'clock. So it's a better chance of them ending up on top of your email pile, so to speak. If you got a ton of emails, you know. And we're gonna hit preview. Now what preview is gonna do, we're gonna use it for two reasons. One is to check and see if the link works. And the link does indeed work. All right, so we now know the link works. Now the second reason we hit preview is to show you guys the link, the email here. You guys want to copy the email, so just pause the video and copy the email, guys. And there we go. All right, so we got that going. All we need to do is send that email and we're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple. And once you got your emails in here, really well, you know what I mean? Once you got your emails in here, it just gets sent, man. And all you gotta do is come in and send them like 30 seconds out of your day. Make a ton of money, guys. Works out. Right? Easiest way to promote this product. Now, if you want a more efficient way to promote this product, I think the most efficient way without costing money or not a ton of work is shorts. But you gotta post them every day. Gotta post these shorts every day. I'm gonna tell you now, consistency is key to making money online. Stay consistent. Like, you ever see a YouTuber make videos almost every day and then they stop for like a month, try to come back? Sometimes it's almost impossible to get them same numbers. I've even experienced this with this channel. I used to get a lot of views earlier, last year on this channel with it when I was promoting something else complete. Well, I was promoting my lead gen secrets, but I was promoting a different product, a worse product than the one I'm promoting now, actually. And I was doing way better numbers than I'm doing now. But that's all right. I'm not too worried about that, guys. It's all about showing you guys how to do it the easiest way possible, what works the best, and just simple methods. And plus, I'm kind of testing stuff myself, so it's all that. You know what I mean? So I'm not too worried about how many views I get. I mean, it'd be cool to have a lot, but I'm not worried about it like that. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.